Hello friends and potential friends. Well, another beautiful day here in southern Idaho, but it sure is hot. Over here I decided to sit in the shade to record this because the sun is pretty brutal out there. And most of the work that I've been doing lately seems to be out in the sun. So any chance I get to sit in the shade and feel the breeze, I'm going to take it. Well, with any luck, this should be the last installment in my Building the Idaho Raised Bed Garden series, at least for this year. I'm hoping to get that thing finished up so I can check it off my list, because to be honest with you, that was my #1 priority in coming out here this summer, was to get that garden put together for my mom. And I'm getting close to it, finishing it. As you can see behind me, I've moved most of that pile of dirt. It's all back in the back behind the garage now. Used it to level out a lot of the land back there so I could put the raised beds on it. And I'm close to the finish line. So let me get into it and we'll see how far I can get. Well, there we have number 3. Wood chips around it, slight lever there. Need to fill it up with hugel culture and some chicken manure. And then I need to find a load or two of soil to top off all of the beds. I've got one more, which I am planning on putting right over here. I may have to rethink that because I'm still having some water issues over here. But we're starting to make some progress. And I tell you, it's about time. Well, another step in the path. There's 5 cubic yards of garden soil. And it delivered this morning. It's ready to go in them beds. Now I just need the energy to do it. Now friends, what was here is now up here. Through the magic of video editing, there's the Idaho raised bed garden for this year. Got all 4 beds topped off. Chances are there'll be some settling if we ever get any rain. We're actually supposed to have 100% chance of rain today. But I've got dirt left over in case we do have any settling. It's actually starting to rain a little bit. Maybe that tropical system is going to come this way. But there it is. All I have to do now is top it off with a little bit of that grass mulch. Assuming that Bully over there doesn't eat all of it. I've been making friends with Bully. Every once in a while I'll take some of that grass cuttings and throw it over the fence. That's why everybody's hanging around here right now. But always good to stay on good terms with a 2,000-pound bull. So I hope you enjoyed the series. I know my mom's going to enjoy planting in here. I'll see you next time.